Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Notcoin from Telegram wallet to Bybit. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel, and also I'm going to leave a link to Bybit in the description for you to sign up and get bonuses if you sign up from my link. So check out my description. Now on Telegram you want to choose Notcoin and click on send option. Now, as I don't have Notcoin anymore on my Telegram, I cannot go through this step, but basically you will see something similar to this, and you're going to choose external wallet. And after that, you will be able to send Notcoin, and you will see that you can enter a recipient address. So to find that address, which you need to copy and paste here on Telegram, to find the address, you're going to go to Bybit, open it up. After that, you're going to go to assets and choose an option to deposit, and deposit crypto at the bottom. After that, you're going to search for Notcoin and you're going to choose it. The chain type needs to be ton. Now you will see your wallet address and a memo. So make sure that you use a memo too. Otherwise, your funds will be lost and that cannot be recovered. So just make sure to copy the wallet address, enter it there on Telegram, and after that also copy the memo. And you're just gonna enter it here on Telegram, and just like so, you're gonna transfer Notcoin to your Bybit. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.